Hey everybody, welcome to Zoom where we will help you to make wise buying choices. Today we'll be reviewing the Redmi AirDots. Let's get into it. Alright, so these earbuds are from a Chinese company called Xiaomi Cooperation. I hope I got the name right. They're a Chinese electronics company founded in 2012 and their headquarters is in Beijing. They make not only earbuds but they also make smartphones, laptops, and many more things. You can check them out. Now the earbuds come with a charging case, as you can see here. It also comes with tips, comes with a large, medium, which I already have on there, and it comes with sorry about that, it comes with small tips. Now I implore you to find the tip that is right for you because it makes a world of a difference. The earbuds are said to last up to 4 hours, and the case gives it an additional 11 hours, which makes it a total of operation time 11 hours of use. It has 40 milliamps battery in each. From personal experience though, the earbuds average listening time for me, I've tested these and it lasted on average 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now the case has never failed me, which I suspect it lasts 11 hours as they say, which is good. Now that's not bad for me because I don't listen to these things all day every day, so I'm okay with that, but you might not be, and that's just my experience. Now if you drop them in the case, they immediately begin to charge, as you can see by these red lights. Now it also indicates it by a light on the front here that the case it is charging. It's a white light. When it's not charging and it's fully charged, it just goes out and you see nothing. Now if you take them out of the case, I don't know if you heard that, but it immediately pairs with my phone, and that's a good thing. Now there are some pros and cons to this device, and I'd like to highlight it, starting with the cons. Now the first thing I don't like about it is that these buttons are hard to press. I mean, if you have them in your ears, it feels like you're jamming it in when you're trying to press it. They are not responsive at all. Now the second thing is the buttons can only pause and play. If I'm watching a video on YouTube, I want to be able to change the song at least, or the volume. Now I've seen these earbuds in these price points that actually does change the song, because I had one before. So there's no excuse for not putting in one or the other, either the volume or or changing a song. You can also double tap for Google Assistant, but as I said before, it is hard to press. So you're not going to double press it trying to get Google Assistant. So that's a negative right there. The third thing is it doesn't have voice to tell you what's going on with the earbuds. If it's connected, it doesn't have a voice to tell you that. If it's dying, it doesn't have a voice to tell you that. Now it has an annoying melody that I think is too loud and there's no way of controlling it. I had to figure out what these different melody meant as I was listening it. So that is annoying for me. Now the fourth thing, I think this is the most annoying. It has a 15-meter range, they say, but it chips in and out frequently no matter how near or far I am from my device. And it doesn't even feel like 15 meters. As I step away from my phone, it starts chipping out. And it's not my phone because I've tested it on Bluetooth laptops, I've tested it on Bluetooth computers, and it's the same thing. It often go in and out of sync with each other too, and that can be annoying. Now, I don't know about you or if you're having those experiences, but that's what I'm having. But it's not all bad. The good is the price. I mean, if you want to get into wireless earbuds, this won't hurt your pocket at all. You can find it for about $24 on Amazon, and even cheaper if you go on eBay. Now, second thing is, for the price, it sounds great. The highs are there, the mids are responsive, and the lows, it doesn't chip out any other two, and it sounds great. So for that, I'll give it a thumbs up. Now, also, the third thing I like about this thing is the design. It looks great. It's simple, it feels great in the hand, and it can fit comfortably in the ear. It is also small enough to be comfortable in the pocket. The fourth thing is that I like about this is the calls. It has no problem. The mic has no problem at all. Persons could hear me on the other line clearly, and I've never had a problem with making a call on this thing. And now some of us may be using it for that, so it's good to know that you can keep them in as you talk. So overall, in the cheap category, it is not bad. It chips in and out when you're near the device. The good is that it sounds good, it looks good, it fits well, and I'd give it an overall 60% pass mark. So again, if you're into the market for something that's not going to hurt your pocket, and you just want to try it for how it looks and how it sounds and how it fits, then you can try it. But you're going to get annoyed by the chipping in and out, so bear that in mind. So, the Redmi AirDots. This is our review on Zoom, and you can subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll catch you next time.